Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by auditing the squad and resources. This tells you what to change now. Once done, prioritize formation and 1 or 2 signings that immediately raise your overall rating, because numbers win promotion. Make sure to upgrade training and medical to keep availability high. Higher fitness equals fewer substitutions. Start adjusting tactics. Pressing intensity, defensive line, and width must match your formation. You act quickly, so matches give consistent points. That early momentum is critical. You now enter the core grind of the season where consistency matters more than flash. Rotate players to protect stamina and prevent suspensions, because a tired squad drops points. Make sure to tailor training sessions to improve chemistry and set-piece conversion, as those small margins decide close games. Once a pattern emerges in opponents, change tactics mid-match, switch wings or press higher to exploit weaknesses. Track form and confidence. Sticking to a narrow, well-rehearsed plan boosts results across multiple fixtures. You reach the run-in. Every point matters, so select your strongest Roman 11 for promotion-deciding matches and avoid needless risk. Once you lead, make sure to slow the game, shorten passing, and introduce defensive subs to preserve results. If you need a win, press higher and bring on fresh attackers early. Push for set pieces where you trained conversion. Finally, if things go wrong, low form, or injuries, reset by making one targeted transfer, swapping captain for morale, or changing set-piece takers. That single change often flips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.